Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Alma BNPL Review My Usage Experience. Alma BNPL Review My Usage Experience offers a way to assess and compare the Buy Now, Pay Later BNPL service provided by Alma. It's targeted at consumers considering using Alma or those who want to understand the potential benefits and drawbacks before signing up. Key features likely include comparing interest rates, repayment terms, and overall costs against other BNPL options. Their website provides details on how to use their comparison tools. They highlight the ease of comparing different BNPL providers, emphasizing transparency in pricing and terms. They focus on helping users make informed decisions and avoid unexpected fees or complicated contracts. Availability is likely widespread, given the nature of BNPL services, but you can check their website for specific details. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Alma BNPL Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. The website is well designed, and I was able to navigate to the comparison tools easily. I input details for a hypothetical purchase, a new laptop, and within seconds, it provided me with a comparison of Alma's offering against several other popular BNPL services. The interface was very intuitive, clearly displaying key information like April, repayment schedules, and any associated fees. The speed was impressive, the results were presented almost instantly. One standout feature for me was the clear visual representation of the total cost, making it easy to understand the actual final price. I was impressed by the level of detail provided, going beyond just the monthly payment amount. One minor drawback was the lack of detailed information on specific merchant partnerships. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Alma BNPL Review My Usage Experience. It efficiently provided me with the information I needed to make an informed decision. That's my overview of Alma BNPL Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.